My name is Bella Pantaleone, and for my Semester 1 Marine Science project, I study the causes and effects of coastal erosion and how people can prevent it. Factors that can affect coastal erosion include sea level rise, wave energy, coastal slope, beach width, beach height, and rock strength. I went to a couple of different beaches and documented how they have been affected by coastal erosion. More about coastal erosion. It's the process by which local sea levels rise, strong waves form, and coastal flooding carries away soil, along with sand and rocks along the coast. It's almost impossible to predict and stop. The higher and stronger the waves are at higher elevations, it increases the chance of erosion, and after one happens, it carves out unique features such as cliffs, platforms, sea arches, and sea stacks. Economy and the atmosphere are the main effects of coastal erosion. The effect on the economy would be the high costs. In the United States, coastal erosion is responsible for $500 million per year in coastal property loss. It can impact people's incomes due to loss of land and could result in a reduction in value or price of property. Coastal erosion can lead to habitat loss as well. Plants and wildlife that depend on these ecosystems are impacted by erosions, therefore leaving them with no resources. Even though there are negative impacts due to coastal erosion, there are ways we can recover from it. Creating a barrier during storms, safeguarding coastal homes, creating a nursery habitat for fish species, and restoring open space and wildlife are ways to recuperate from erosions. As there are ways to recover from coastal erosion, there are also methods to protect the coast, such as shoreline hardening and beach nourishment. Ways of hardening the shoreline are used with structures like seawalls, riprap, and groins. Shoreline hardening may cause more problems than they can solve because they interfere with natural water currents and stop sand from shifting along the coastlines. It's also expensive to install and maintain the projects. Beach nourishment, which is placing additional sand on a beach to act as a barrier, has been another way to protect the coast. There have been more than 2,000 beach nourishment projects since 1923. It has become a controversial topic because they comply with a wide range of laws and regulations, and is also very expensive. Some communities bring in a lot of sand to beaches repeatedly, only to see it wash out into the sea because of storms. Coastal erosion is a severe problem all around the world, changing from a natural environment to a serious hazard. There are many ways to prevent coastal erosion, but it's in the people's hands to make a difference. This is an important topic that needs to be addressed to prevent habitat loss and help the economy not spend a lot of money.